Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use any song as your background music on Snapchat. It's actually really simple to do. All I have to do is go over to Spotify and open that up. You just got to find any song that you can get on Spotify. So if you can get it on Spotify, you can use it as your background music. Just simply play the song in the background. I'm not going to play it in this video just because I'll be talking and you won't be able to hear me. But if you just play the song in the background, trust me, you exit out of here and go over to Snapchat. And then simply just start recording with that song in the background. And you don't need to use the music update from Snapchat at all. So if you just simply start recording with the music in the background, you'll be able to then finish up, send it off to any of your friends, and you'll be good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.